If you think raita is just another side dish, think again. Today we're making 3 super easy and refreshing raita that can instantly upgrade any meal, whether it's a simple lunch or a full festive spread. Let's get started. First up, a classic that never goes out of style, onion raita. For this, in a bowl, take some fresh chilled curd, add finely chopped onions. Now season it with salt to taste, a pinch of red chili powder, a little coriander powder, and mix everything really well until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it, your onion raita is ready to be enjoyed. Simple, flavorful, and perfect with parathas or biryani. Next, let's make something a little more fun and textured, Boondi raita. Start by taking boondi and soaking it in 1 cup of water for about 30 minutes. This helps soften it beautifully. Now in another bowl, add 1 cup of curd. Now drain the boondi and add it to the curd. Season it with salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix so all the flavors come together. And your boondi raita is ready to be enjoyed. Soft, tangy, and absolutely delicious. And now for a refreshing twist with a hint of sweetness, fruit raita. For this, in a bowl, add fresh curd. Now toast in chopped apple, banana, and juicy pomegranate seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt or black salt. Now mix everything really well until it's creamy and slightly sweet. And there you have it, your fruit raita is ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for balancing spicy meals or even as a light dessert. So these were 3 quick and easy raita recipes you can whip up anytime. Which one is your favorite? Classic onion, crunchy boondi, or fruity twist? Let us know in the comments below, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodie.